Hi, I'm Jackson. I work with KVC Builders. We did this project over the last few years, and it's a really great house with a lot of fun things. That was important to the customer, that the house was really fun and that the kids had a lot to do and that they could really live here and just stay here and have everything they need. So the customer wanted to have a really fun feature for the kids. The architect, the whole team tasked with coming up with a way to get a slide, a playground slide, inside the stair of the house. We had to corkscrew it through openings in the building to get it through and ultimately hoist it down. It was quite a challenge. So the pool was done by Environmental Pools. Again, the customer wanted to have a space where the kids could be active year-round. Swimming's a big part of their activity, so an indoor pool was a must for them. Also a sauna and a gym for working out. This is a great space for them to be able to hang out in the winter months. And in the summer, they can open the door and spread all the way out into the patio and kind of have an indoor-outdoor type of a feel if they don't feel like going down to the sports barn. So the sports barn was a big part of the program here. The owner wanted to make sure that, again, his kids could basically do any activity year-round and not have to leave the house. And so it's a full basketball court, full volleyball court. As a full batting cage, most difficult part of this project was bringing a metal building for the court and a wood building for the pool house together. A really tricky thing to do, really difficult to build, really technical build.